Good morning, good morning. Today is a brand new day. Today is day 3 in Singapore, day 2 in Singapore, and we are out and about to explore the Arts and Science Museum. I'll put my fit here, but let me just quickly show you what my fit is. Super cute. I have a bow in my hair and everything. Very cute. So we are going for a very Korean kind of aesthetic, and this is what she's wearing. So now let's go quickly, and the sad part about today is that it's raining, but the good part about today is because it's raining, we're already inside and we're doing all indoor activities. Smart thinking. So let's go and watch the Arts and Science Museum. Let's go.
Saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
There's something called as sliding through the fields, and you have to take your shoes off, right? But and then you have to slide. So we are going there. Let's go. I'm very excited.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
With our Arts and Science Museum. Right outside the museum there's something called as the Miracle Coffee, and the drinks look amazing. They look so good. They look like drinks to die for. It's just coffee, but we love a good coffee presentation. So I am at Sandro. We are actually shopping in the Marina Bay Sands, and I'm in Sandro. I have a few jackets right there that I'm going to be trying on. It's a bit of a stretch for what I go for, but I don't think I'm going to find these jackets anywhere in the world. So I'm just excited, and I hope that they look amazing as I can see in my head. So let's go.
Saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind.
We were all chilling at the Marina Bay Sands shopping center, and we decided to do a little river cruise, which is right down there. But between us actually deciding to do a river cruise and it literally started to pour out of nowhere. Like you can literally see those clouds right behind me. It is so crazy that it just started. It's raining, and then it stops, and then it starts pouring again. Then it stops. It's like genuinely the most beautiful weather because it's not hot, it's not cold. It's really nice, and we love a good monsoon type weather. These clouds look so gloomy, and right behind me on top we have the Marina Bay, which is crazy. Marina Bay Sands Resort, Marina Bay Sands Hotel, which is right there. If you've seen Crazy Rich Asians, you know the hotel I'm talking about. Let me give you a better look from right across the bridge. Here you go. Beautiful. It is literally crazy to me how we are having our concert tomorrow, and it's literally been raining during the concert for the last 2 days. So it was yesterday and today. I'm pretty sure it's going to be raining again tomorrow as well during the concert. So जो भी है फोटोज वीडियो सब उसके पहले रूम में करना पड़ेगा, पर उसके बाद तो बालों की जो हाल है वो यही होने वाली है. But yeah, now it's time, I guess. We still have like 20 minutes to go to the cruise. So, let's just go around, take you guys around the area.
Saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind.
We are finally back into our hotel room, and tomorrow is the big day. It is Taylor Swift Day! Literally the entire city was blaring Taylor Swift songs. कहीं पे भी आ रहे थे सिर्फ टेलर स्विफ्ट के गाने सुनाई दे रहे थे.
Oh my God.
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरी कंट्री इज देयर टू सेलिब्रेट सच अ ब्यूटीफुल पर्सन. अच्छा लग रहा है, राइट?
Yes, very, very happy and yeah, little bit tired also. But we could do this only because of Ayushi. She pushed us. Just let's go, and now we are so happy. Thank you.
अभी भी है यहाँ पे सूजन. So yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys fresh tomorrow morning when I will be starting a new vlog, which is a Taylor Swift Day vlog, because उसका अलग से vlog बनता है. So go check it out and join me on the second last day, which is my birthday in Singapore. Let's go.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't